Wednesday, we bored as fuck. We decided to jump on some little toys just to have a little fun. So shit, come tag along, man. We about to go rolling.
17 on the track, man.
Looking like a trap when I walk in the building. That man got something expensive. Know my frame, they kill you. All these hoes I'm killing. Me came from no dealing. Dirty fine for wheeling. Come to the street, I'm feeling. Come to the street, I'm feeling. And I might just leave the city. And I'm trying to grind up on a million. And I might kill it if I feel it.
And the rest of the little toy we got, man, right now, you know, I done sold most everything, but I kept a couple on. But shit, we got the 450, you know what I'm saying? The YZ. Then we got the Raptor 700. Had that one for a long time too. Then we got, you know what I'm saying? We got Big J over there, man. We got Will the Grease Money. Juju. That Juju right there.
Oh yeah, Ju.
Then we got Big Nut back there. Big Nut. Can you hold that motherfucker in the road? Let go, Nut. Let go. Shit, all right. Hey. Everything else history, man. But when you watch, we already did it. Let go.